Welcome to the Sanctuary View Estate in Fletcher, where luxury living meets tranquility. I'm Courtney Matheson from Stone Real Estate. I'm excited to present to you this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom duplex built in 2020. Let's take a look inside. With its stylish facade and an inviting entryway, this home combines modern design with the warmth of a family-friendly neighbourhood. Sanctuary View Estate in Fletcher is renowned for its peaceful surroundings and its close-knit community, making it an ideal place to call home. Don't miss the opportunity to make this remarkable duplex your own. Reach out to me today to organise an inspection and experience the beauty of this property firsthand.